3, 2, 1. Starting off nice and slow. Already chaos. Some cars backwards. Or a very slow exit for Spain, England, Georgia. More. Ukraine. Oh, Ukraine's coming back. What a save. Poland still in it. Oh, there's chaos on the right hand side. So many countries out. Ukraine's still hanging on. France is there. Ukraine's backwards. Let's up the speed a bit. Up to 3 kilometers an hour now. Got Austria and Turkey hanging on. Albania, Romania, Serbia, and Poland there. Certainly not some tournament favourites there. Let's crank it some more. France a big danger on the right there, I think. Ukraine backwards, taking France out. That'll be... Oh! No, still in, still in. Powers, hang on there. Ukraine out. Up to speed. France, oh, France and also gone. 6 left, 6 finals. Who's going to win it? But we need more speed. Turkey and Austria there, looking a bit shaky. A little pass form over on the left here. Poland put in a good position. Going up to top speed. Oh, 4 out. Albania. Down to Turkey and Austria. The surprise final. Who's going to hang on? Top speed. They're jostling. Who's going to win it? This is the final no one ever saw coming. We're maxed out. It's starting to get bumpy, the final now. And it's Turkey! Oh, the dramatic win.